Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell ALPH 2 Plus mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 3.7 kilograms and gross weight about 4.4 kilograms. Goldshell ALPH 2 Plus supports the Blake 3 algorithm, allowing you to mine ALPH cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 1 TH/s. Its power consumption is 480 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 1031 GH/s, the power consumption is approximately 488 watt, and the noise level is around 35 decibels. Both power consumption and quiet operation are excellent. How to set up the miner for work normally. Please open the official website of Goldshell, click Support, and then click the following tabs to find our miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Profit analysis. Based on an ALPH price of $1.81 and a mining difficulty of 9547T on August 30, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell ALPH 2 Plus 1T miner are approximately $13.11. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. ALPH 2 Plus is an upgrade model of ALPH 2, the key parameters have been greatly upgraded. First of all, the arithmetic power has been greatly increased to 1 TH/s, while the power consumption has also increased to 480 watt, the power consumption arithmetic ratio of 0.48 J/GH, with the previous version of the appearance of the volume increased, the power supply is changed to a built-in power supply. The following is a detailed comparison of the key parameters. The Goldshell ALPH 2 Plus miner is a high arithmetic power, low power consumption and silent miner. The miner supports ALPH mining, has a compact shape and very high returns, and can be adapted to mining in home, company, and other environments. Click on the purchase link below the video to place your order directly and enter the discount code to receive a fan-exclusive coupon. By Miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.